A day at the beach. It was a sunny Saturday morning. The sky was blue, and the sun was shining brightly. Sam and his family were getting ready for a special day. They were going to the beach. Sam was very excited. He loved the beach. He liked to play in the sand and swim in the sea. He put on his swim shorts and his favorite hat. His mom packed a big bag with towels, sunscreen, snacks, and water. His dad brought a beach umbrella and some chairs. They all got into the car. Sam's little sister, Lily, was also excited. She clapped her hands and sang a happy song. The drive to the beach was not too long. Soon, they could see the ocean. Sam and Lily cheered. When they arrived, they found a nice spot near the water. Dad set up the umbrella and chairs. Mom laid out the towels. Sam and Lily ran to the edge of the water. The waves were gentle, and the water felt cool on their feet. "Let's build a sandcastle," Sam said to Lily. They found a bucket and a shovel in their bag. They dug in the sand and made a big pile. Sam shaped the pile into a castle with towers. Lily decorated it with shells and seaweed. They were very proud of their work. After building the sandcastle, they wanted to swim. Mom put sunscreen on them to protect their skin from the sun. They splashed in the shallow water and laughed. Dad joined them and showed them how to float on their backs. Sam tried it and found it fun. After some time in the water, they felt hungry. They went back to their spot under the umbrella. Mom had packed sandwiches, fruits, and juice. They ate their lunch while looking at the ocean. The food tasted delicious after all the playing and swimming. After lunch, Sam and Lily decided to collect seashells. They walked along the beach, looking for shells of different shapes and colors. Sam found a big shell with a spiral shape. Lily found a small, shiny one. They put their shells in a bag to take home. While they were walking, they saw some people flying kites. The kites were colorful and flew high in the sky. Sam and Lily watched them for a while. Then, they saw a man selling ice cream. Dad bought them each a cone. Sam chose chocolate and Lily chose strawberry. The ice cream was cold and sweet. In the afternoon, they rested on the towels under the umbrella. The sound of the waves was calming. Sam felt happy and relaxed. He closed his eyes for a short nap. When he woke up, it was time to go home. They packed their things and cleaned up their spot. Sam looked at the ocean one last time. He loved the beach and hoped to come back soon. On the way home, Sam thought about all the fun they had. Building a sandcastle, swimming, collecting seashells, and eating ice cream were all great memories. He felt very lucky to have spent the day at the beach with his family. As they drove back, the sun began to set. The sky turned orange and pink. It was a beautiful end to a perfect day. Sam smiled and held his bag of seashells. He knew he would remember this day for a long time. When they got home, Sam and Lily were still excited about their day. Mom and Dad helped them wash off the sand and get into fresh clothes. They felt tired but happy. After dinner, Sam and Lily wanted to show their seashell collection to their parents. They laid the shells out on the table. Mom admired the big spiral shell Sam had found, and Dad liked the shiny shell Lily had picked up. "Let's make something with these shells," Mom suggested. She brought out some glue, cardboard, and markers. Sam and Lily decided to make a picture frame. They glued the shells around the edges of the cardboard and used the markers to draw a picture of their day at the beach. "This looks great," Dad said when they finished. "We can put a photo from today in the frame." They chose a photo where they were all smiling with the sand castle in the background. Sam felt proud of their creation. It was a wonderful way to remember their day. Before bed, Mom read them a story about the ocean. It was about a little fish who went on an adventure and made many friends. Sam and Lily listened quietly, thinking about their own adventures that day. When the story ended, Mom kissed them goodnight. In bed, Sam thought about the fun they had at the beach. He imagined swimming with the fish and finding more beautiful shells. He fell asleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of the waves and the warm sun. The next morning, Sam woke up early. It was Sunday, and he didn't have to go to school. He went to the living room and saw their shell picture frame on the shelf. It looked even better in the morning light. Sam felt happy remembering the beach. After breakfast, Mom and Dad asked Sam and Lily if they wanted to go for a walk in the park. They agreed quickly. They loved the park almost as much as the beach. They put on their shoes and headed out. The park was green and full of trees. There were flowers of many colors and birds singing in the trees. Sam and Lily ran on the grass, played on the swings, and climbed on the jungle gym. They saw some friends from school and played tag together. While they were playing, Sam told his friends about their day at the beach. His friends were excited and asked if they could go to the beach together one day. Sam thought it was a great idea. He imagined building even bigger sand castles with his friends. After playing for a while, they sat under a big tree to rest. Mom had brought some snacks, so they shared apples and crackers. The shade was cool and comfortable. Sam looked up at the leaves and thought about how much fun the summer was. Back at home, Sam and Lily spent the afternoon drawing pictures of their beach day. They drew the ocean, the sand castle, the seashells, and the ice cream. Their drawings were colorful and full of life. Mom put the drawings on the fridge for everyone to see. In the evening, Dad suggested they watch a movie together. They chose an animated movie about sea creatures. Sam and Lily loved the colorful fish and funny characters. They laughed and enjoyed the movie, feeling like they were back at the beach. As bedtime approached, Sam felt a bit tired but very happy. He brushed his teeth and put on his pajamas. Mom came to tuck him in. "Did you have a good weekend?" she asked. Sam nodded with a big smile. "Yes, it was the best," he said. "I loved the beach, and I want to go back soon." Mom smiled and kissed his forehead. "We will go back," she promised. "But for now, it's time to rest. Good night, Sam." "Good night, Mom," Sam replied. He closed his eyes, feeling the gentle waves in his mind. The sound of the ocean was like a lullaby, helping him drift off to sleep. The next day, Sam woke up feeling refreshed. It was a new week, and he was ready for more adventures. He got ready for school, feeling excited to tell his teacher and classmates about his weekend. At school, Sam shared his story during show and tell. He brought the picture frame they made and showed the photo of their sandcastle. His teacher and friends were impressed. They all wanted to hear more about the beach. Sam felt proud as he told them about the waves, the shells, and the ice cream. He realized that sharing his experiences made them even more special. His friends asked many questions, and Sam enjoyed answering them. When he got home, Sam found that Dad had printed out more photos from their beach day. They looked at the pictures together and talked about their favorite moments. Sam decided to make a scrapbook with the photos and drawings. Over the next few days, Sam worked on his scrapbook. He glued the photos and added captions. He also wrote about what they did and how he felt. It was a fun project, and it made him remember every detail of their trip. One evening, Mom surprised Sam and Lily with a new book about the ocean. It had beautiful pictures and interesting facts about sea animals. They read it together and learned many new things. Sam was fascinated by the different types of fish and the coral reefs. The book inspired Sam to learn more about the ocean. He borrowed more books from the library and watched documentaries with his family. He learned about dolphins, turtles, and even sharks. The more he learned, the more he loved the ocean. One day at school, the teacher announced a project about nature. Sam was excited and decided to do his project on the ocean. He used his scrapbook and the knowledge he had gained to create a wonderful presentation. When it was his turn to present, Sam felt a little nervous, but mostly excited. He told his classmates about the beach, the sea animals, and the importance of keeping the ocean clean. Everyone listened carefully and clapped when he finished. His teacher praised his work and said, "You did a great job, Sam. Your love for the ocean really shows." Sam felt proud and happy. He knew that the beach trip had given him a new passion. As the weeks went by, Sam and his family continued to enjoy their weekends together. They went on more outings, explored new places, and made more memories. But the day at the beach remained one of Sam's favorites. Every time they passed by the picture frame or the scrapbook, Sam felt a warm feeling inside. He knew that no matter where they went or what they did, The joy and love they shared as a family were the most important things. And so, the memory of their day at the beach stayed with Sam, bringing him happiness and inspiring him to explore and learn more about the world around him. He looked forward to many more adventures and cherished every moment spent with his family. The end.